Hello, today I'd like to do a quick unboxing and just a brief display of functioning of this cool military looking smartwatch, which has a large screen unlike many smartwatches that you see in the market. So it comes neatly packed in this box. I'll remove the watch itself, and I'll just show you how easy you can operate the watch itself. So that's how you turn it on. Then you can go into different options. This is settings. If you go back, you can use this button. This button goes back. This one powers it on and off. And I really like how light the watch is and how cool it's looking. Plus the battery life is really amazing based on the manual. So here's the charger. I haven't charged the watch yet. It comes pre-charged. As you can see, it's half charged, so it still has a lot of life before we need to charge it. And then it comes with this great manual in 4 different languages. So far I'm impressed. I really recommend it if you're looking for some original looking smartwatch which looks different, and also make sure you install the app which allows you to change the interface, the wallpaper and stuff. So I'm really impressed, and I highly recommend this watch. Thank you for watching.